Okay, let's go.
All right, we are going to Warren Dune State Park. It is 2,000 acre state park with a roaring dune of above 290 feet. I did my research. We are taking this bad boy, Abby's van. We have Nick. Give us a scream.
Hey!
Okay, that was. Hey. Here we go. Warren Dunes, what a drive. Whip it off. We're walking to the beach. Warren Dunes is behind us.
We should tell the audience that the boys ditched us today. 3 of our boyfriends
Decided to ditch us this morning. Shout out Anthony, Garrett, and AJ. Yeah, go give them an unfollow on the gram because they're no-goes. Here we are at the beach. In case you guys didn't know, my last video, check out there. Yeah, me, Nick, and Asian Noah drove our jet skis across Lake Michigan to Chicago. 3, 2, 1, check it out. Chicago!
Hold up on the jet skis, the Lollapalooza!
Check it out. I'll put the link down below. That is the biggest waffle cone you've ever seen in your life. Kirby, where'd yours go? Jeez, you ate that thing that fast? Good Lord. All right, let the action begin. Nick, think fast.
How about you think fast?
Oh, got it. All right, let's go out and swim to the boobies. Why are they so close? That's kind of sick. Whoa, whoa, that is cold. Water just broke the waistline. You boys know what that means. On the count of 3, 5,
4, 2,
3.
1.
Next video coming soon. We're swimming to Chicago. All right, so we have breaking news. There are people sitting at our towels. We're gonna go shut them down right now. Let's go, Nick. Show them who's boss. Oh, we're gonna have to reclaim this area right here.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb.
No problem, you're good. Me and Nick being as smart as we are, what did we forget? Towels. Towels, that's number 1 on the list. Number 2, bathing suits. Number 3, sunscreen. Number 4, cooler. Anything that you would normally bring to the beach, we left at home.
Is you stupid? Is you dumb?
Standing up here and the girls are laying down because we got nowhere to lay. He's wearing shorts that are probably 14 sizes too big for him. We could both fit in there. Oh yeah.
Someone else in here with me.
You're off to climb the Warren Dune, the one and only. All right, I think we're turning back. This is a stunt called the Warren Dunes Endless Tumbler, and it's gonna be sweet. Check it out. The Endless Tumbler. Okay, we're halfway up the mountain. You can see Lake Michigan behind us. The girls are trailing behind. Wowzers, it is steep. Not quite to the top yet, but we are up here. How's the view?
Pretty good.
Mr. Vlogman. Been up here for 10,000 years.
And we walk some more through the dunes to see what we can find.
You're like a monkey.
They call me the Cisco Kid Tarzan.
Look at that booty, show me the booty, give me the booty, I want the booty.
And if it does, it'll be a great shot. Shoot right into the bushes. Okay.
Oh man, he scraped his back up and everything.
Back?
Did you?
It's for you guys though.
For the best family on YouTube! Yeah!
We're getting a look at Keegan and Kirby in their natural habitat.
My location's been compromised. Go on, we're going. All right, boys and girls, we've been in the desert for miles. Haven't seen sight of water in almost a day and a half. Oh, these dunes go on forever. Oh, wow, that's hot. Hot. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Oh, my goodness. Hot. We found water. Oh, chill. Oh, yeah. Run. We found it. Run. Run, Nick, run! Faster, faster, faster. It's deep. You can dive in. You can dive in.
Don't
Head first, go.
Dive in, huh?
So in case you guys didn't know, this is kind of like a hidden clay river.
No, Bob, come on.
You want me to give you
Wow, what are you doing?
Kirby is a clay freak. She's basically great for the clay. Gabe, no. Stop it. Oh, no! No! Idiot. Just rinse it off.
Come on.
Yeah,
Sure, they're everywhere.
Did you not know there's snakes and turtles back in this creek?
Wait, are you being serious?
Kirby, they literally live along the side of the river. That is where snakes live. Yeah, look at that.
Holy crap.
Touching the ground yet?
No, I didn't even touch the ground.
All right, so I'm gonna head back that way. I'll meet you guys at the beach.
I don't know.
Actually, let's just go. Come on, we got it. Can't be that deep. Come on, guys. It's good. Nick, what are you doing? All right, this is gonna be a wild tennis ball throw over the bridge to Nick on the other side. This clay sleeve is gonna make this ball automatically go probably 50 foot further. Here it comes. Oh, beautiful throw. Oh, come on, that was right next to you. All right, launch it. No way, bub. Wow, you just lost the ball. Great. Mind if I touch it, boys? Oh. Wow. Well, have fun, boys.
Okay.
It's a video.
Oh.
Hey, kid. Enjoy the river. Oh, we did. Yep, that's me. We're going viral.
Plug it. Plug it good.
Back to civilization. I might just have to take a drink of this water. I'm so thirsty. It has been 20 minutes and we haven't seen Nick anywhere. We kind of split up. We had a little disagreement on the ride back and now we don't know where he's at. Okay, now we are officially starting to get slightly worried because we have not seen Nick and it's been, what, 35 minutes-ish? All right, we found Nick. He is actually lost. He's right there, if you can see, right there. We're not gonna yell to him, but we found him. Look at a little trek. Oh, did he spot us? He's looking right at us. He doesn't even see us. Look at, oh, what an idiot. Ah, he doesn't know he's been looking for hours. He doesn't have a clue we're right in front of him. Oh, shh. Don't say anything. Trek! Where the heck were you? We almost had to call a search party for you, Bob.
Did you get lost?
You got in a fight?
Slipped and fell in the water. You laughing?
We are. What?
Walking back to the car.
For what?
Put stuff back.
That is right. We are done here at the Warren Dunes.
He grew a beard in the past 20
They
minutes.
say I grew a beard. Do I have a beard, you guys?
Oh my gosh! Don't hit these people.
Yeah, Nick, come on.
Hey!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, Cisco Kid.
Yeah, subscribe to Cisco.
Cisco Kid! Thanks, Bob.
Anytime for the Cisco.
See you later, Warren Dude! Yeah! Lake Michigan!
See you later, Lake Michigan! We're going back to Deacon!
Why am I the only one naked? Give me my shirt.
It is! It was! Abby, as he was moving, Keegan, you almost spilled my ice cream. As Nick was moving, he was like, how do you move this back? As you were moving!
It will not go back any farther, and I'm getting angry!
Hey, do you watch YouTube? YouTube? Follow Cisco Kid. Keegan Cisco. We're going back to Battle Creek. Have a good night.
All right, here goes that nothing.
No! God, please, no! No!
Oh God, it's stuck! The door is stuck open. Breaking news.
This is Nick's going 90 miles per hour.
Nick, slow down! I can't close it. It will not close.
Try harder!
I can't do it. So we're good with the door open now. We're kind of over the adrenaline rush of that scene. She's still open, by the way. We are getting ready to pull over and shut the thing because it will not close. It's no different than driving a Jeep with no doors on it. We're good. And we're stop. Let's solve this problem. There, it's good.
You need to slam it in.
Like as hard as I can.
Yes.
Just stop. All right, we are back on the road. All right, let's go. All right, we are back in Kalamazoo, Michigan. All right, Nick's gonna end our video today. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, no, do it again. Nick, go quicker. Go quicker. Nick, you need to run. Go.